How to fix Instagram Note Music feature not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top right corner, you can find this messenger kind of icon. Tap on it. You will land to the chat section. At the top left, you can find the option of your note. After tapping on it, you will find this music kind of icon from where you can easily upload different kind of music to your note. But in the case this feature is not working in your Instagram account, the very first thing you can do is update your Instagram. For that, open your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update over here. If you see the option of update, just tap on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. But if you see the option of open as mine, it means your Instagram app is already up to date. After completion of update process, you can just open your Instagram app and check whether your problem is solved or not. Now the second solution is you have to uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it. Due to some cache and bugs, this feature might not be working. So firstly, you can uninstall the app. For that, long press on your app. Select the option Remove App, tap on Delete App. After completion of deletion, you can open your App Store or Play Store and search for the app Instagram and install it. Likewise, if both of the solution doesn't work for you, then what you can do is open your Instagram app. Now head towards the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. At the top right corner, you can find three bars. Tap on it. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. Under More Info and Support, you can find the option of Help. Tap on it. Now select this option Report a Problem. Tap on Report Problem without shaking. Tap on Done, Include and Continue. Now over here you have to explain about your problem. You can just explain in the way I have done it. You can also include some screenshot or upload the video and photo of the page where Instagram Music Note feature is available, and then you can tap on the option of Send. After you submit your report, Instagram will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that your Instagram Note Music feature will be working. So this is how you can fix Instagram Note Music feature not working. This was all for this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.